Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Sharon and I do appreciate you guys watching our YouTube channel. Today we're back out at Sawmill Branch, a D.R. Horton community in Palm Coast, Florida, just south of the county line, St. Johns County line. And we're at the Freedom Community section of Sawmill Branch, and we're gonna check out the Elton, one of their floor plans here. Pretty cool, it's got 2 master suites and an extra bedroom on top of that. So let's go take a peek at it, and I think you'll be impressed. All right, gang, the Elton. This is the coastal elevation, pretty cool. And they've got 3 different, on all their models, they have 3 different elevations, okay? The Key West, the coastal, and the traditional. And one standard on the Freedom homes are this nice frosted glass or a rain glass front door insert. I hadn't said it on the other ones, but all of the homes come with that, okay? And of course, the homes are all smarted up like all D.R. Horton homes are, and you'll see more of that in the center, in the second. There is the motherboard, the box that controls everything. After closing, you're going to have a technician make an appointment with you, and he's going to come out and get you all set up, so everything's all taken care of. All right, then of course you see the tile. That's 18-inch wood-like tile. That's all standard as well here in the Freedom. We come into the first master, the front master, I might say, and they're both great master bedrooms. Oh my gosh, they're both well appointed. I almost like the front one a little better than the second one, so I'll show you why here in a minute. But if you've got 2 different family members that are living together, or maybe an in-home caretaker that needs space, you know, what have you. This is a very versatile plan because it is completely all-inclusive suite. Got a nice knee space there if you need some access to that for sitting. Of course, our standard 3-centimeter countertops, our quartz, beautiful. I love the colors. They've been doing this in a lot of their homes. I love the colors. All right, so a lot of great counter space, huge shower. This one does not have a little sitting corner in it. I don't know if we can add that or not, but this one does not show it a little corner seat. But I think, I won't say out of turn, but if we were to go to contract on one of these, I might ask if we could get one put in for you. Anyway, so we're in a small little walk-in, definitely adequate for 1 person, even maybe 2, but definitely solid 1 person, no problem. Okay, let's go check out. There's again another bedroom. I'll show you all the laundry space. Sharon and I do appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoy our videos. Come around here, we have our entrance to the garage, our air handler. Over here we have a full bath. So your community bath that also services this bedroom. And that's a little smaller. They got it set up as kind of an office right now. A little smaller room. So this would make an absolutely perfect office. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Washer and dryer kind of in the central part of the house. Okay. Pretty small space. You could probably put a little cabinet up there maybe. But it's in the central part of the house, down the front hallway. Not sure. Some people may like that. Some people may not. Maybe a little polarizing for them. But at the end of the day, you know, you only got so much room in the house, right? Got to put it somewhere because you definitely don't want to go outside to do it. But this is what I really like. The shape of this living room. See how they have this lined up right here, kind of facing, nice speaking area. I just sat on that couch. You can see that TV just fine. So it's not a bad setup. Or you can turn it this way, right, and have it straight on. So a little bit of variety that you could do here in the living room with the Elton. And because of those 2 windows and the sliding glass door right there, and it's a 4-foot sliding glass door, all the light back here under that nice, huge screen porch. This thing's massive, massive screen porch. Then, of course, we got our nice kitchen space. This has got the upgraded two ovens, French door fridge, and of course their standard nice size pantry. Okay, pretty nice. And that's a good size table right there. Plenty of room. Let's shoot, 72-inch table maybe. Wow. And of course they got the models all tuned up in the backyard, so you could do a lot of that stuff yourself. Nice master. Here's the original master, I might say, the main master, because it's on the back side of the house. Pretty good size. Always got the tray. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Small little walk-in. And then on the other side, we have a little bigger walk-in. Okay. Of course, our toilet space there, and double sinks. Same nice cabinetry, and this one's got the little seat in it, a little corner seat, shaving your legs, sitting down, taking a break, or having to use that to help you out a little bit. All right, magnetic shower head. Those things are really good. So this is the Elton. Pretty cool, unique floor plan. It gives a lot of versatility to some lifestyle needs that people may have, right? So pretty nice. All right, gang, thanks for coming along today. That was the Elton here at Freedom in Sawmill Branch by D.R. Horton. Pretty cool little home, double masters, a lot of versatility in this home. So give us a call if you need more information. We can definitely get you anything you need, help the process, help you get you into one of these homes, help guide every step of the way. So anyway, we appreciate you guys, and I want you to have a fantastic day. Thanks.